Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to edit on PS4. Okay, so first thing you need to do is go to the PlayStation Store and download Share Factory if you don't already have it on your PS4. And when you've done that, you open it and you go to new project and you select any of these and then you unselect them. Unselect that. Then you choose the clip that you just recorded. I already recorded my clip, so I'm just gonna go and I saved it as a project, so I'll go there. I'll teach you about like all the things. So when you press X, you add stuff, and so basically add clip if you want to add like any clip that you have. I have these memes and stuff, anything you recorded, and then you square is to time benders to make it like slow or more faster. Time to go clip, split clip if you want to split it like that. Then you'll have this one. I don't want to do that, but yeah, and then square and then trim clip, just trim the clip and everything, and then you have move clip, you want to move it obviously like that. You also have delete clip to delete the clip, which I'm going to do. You have clone clip if you want to clone the clip. I don't want to, so I'm just going to delete clip. Then you also have pan zoom, which you can zoom there or there, you know, you can zoom for the clip, which I don't need to do, so I'm just going to leave it. And you also have edit text, like you want to add text, or you can add like a camera effect, like focus. I personally I just use focus and quake. You can also add like images from your USB theme stickers, like any stickers, they have all these stickers, all these, yeah. And you can also add, editing, yeah. Then but these are just to edit. There's filters, edit layouts, there's track 2, music, you add any music. You get these default ones, or you can use your USB, and I recommend using a USB from your computer to get the stuff from the computer to your PS4 and do that. You can also add like clip volume, like change it how you want it to be. So now the adding stuff, you can add clip, add screenshot. We already done add clip, so add screenshot. You can add a screenshot from your PS4 or from game, from the PS4 and stuff, and these ones that they have here. You can also add track, which is this, you can record your audio like right now. Call me saying something like this. Yo, what's up guys? It's Ray and subscribe. Okay, stop it. Then you can listen to it. Yo, what's up guys? You can change the volume for that, or move it or trim it. I'll just delete it. Or you can record a video, and then like you'll see as well. I think you will be able to see it because of the PS4 7, but now you can see it. It's gonna be there. Or you can press square and put it like full screen like that, and then you can trim it, split it, and do everything, do filter to it as well. These, Then you can also press triangle X and then put it as a green screen. Mine, I don't have a green screen, so it won't work. White screen, So yeah, you can do all that. I'll just delete it right now. You can also add clip and add like all these ones that I have, or any like other clip over the clip that you did. For example, I can like default skin dancing, and you can go there, but I can put it full screen, triangle, X, and then green screen to be like that. Then you 1.7. Yeah. Okay, that's the area please. Okay, I'll delete that. You can change the volume as well for it. So, yeah. Okay, then you can delete. Wait. Yeah, you can also add a frame to it, or a color, or shadow. Just delete it. Okay. You can also add music, which I showed you, and overlay, which I already showed, and filter. like any filter you want, you know, that filter, delete filter, so I don't need it. You can also add a layout, so it's like these ones. I actually like this one. This is what I usually use. Let me show you. I like this layout. Like in an enchant like match or something, in 1v1, you would want to put this one on. So yeah. And you can also add a transition. Like I can go like here. Add transition. So transitions. Like add this one. Well, like that, you know. Just delete it. Change the volume for it as well. But I never really use them unless you're doing a montage. You can use them or something. Yeah.
It's 7 o'clock in the morning.
Well, I mean for me, it's okay. So he said, basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out the parts I don't want. So I don't really want this part where we're in the battle bus, so I'm just gonna delete it. Okay. Delete clip. And by the way, when you finish, you press options, save project, or you can put it in gallery, or you can make a thumbnail, which don't make a thumbnail on this. Just use it from my latest videos. I showed you how to make a thumbnail. It's better, but you can if you want to. I'm gonna split it right here before I say what. Split clip. Let me just split the clip. Pan zoom, I mean. Zoom a little bit there on the skin. I'll show you. Why are you wearing Thor? And then I'm gonna add like add track 2, add clip. Go over here. I made this new one here. In clips. Try find one. Here's one. What's
Yeah.
that? Is that? Split clip. Split clip. Delete. And then we move over here. Add it there. Then we can just get out, and then because I'm gonna add we add screenshot, anything that we want, because it won't really matter. And then we edit track 2. Put this, move it over here so it fits. And then you go to the where it ends, and then you press circle and you split the clip. And then you delete this one. You go back and you can put whatever, you know, the thing you want. Just move it a bit here. I'm gonna put it full screen. Apple what?
Use my doors to do it off.
Split it there. Clip.
Awful, man.
Apple what? What the fuck is that?
Awful.
Okay, here we can split.
Man.
When he says Aquaman, I'm gonna go like this.
Awful, man.
Split it there. I'll add overlay. Add text. Put the Fortnite version one. Aqua. I'll put here like a little one of these. Aqua. Man. Like that. Command, then color, change it to that one. Text, so it stands out. Animation, I like to do drift. I'll show you all the ones they have. They have this worm thing, this one, this, pulse drift, which is the best drift in my opinion. Bounce, rainbow, whatever this is, none. Okay, so I'll actually use drift because it's the best one in my opinion. We also I'm gonna go to text duration, and it's good the way through. I want it. Transformation, put it there. a little small because I'm gonna zoom in a bit. Maybe, I don't know. Actually, yeah, I'll put it like that. Then I'll do that. Yes, that's good. You can also change the opacity if you want it like that. So you can't see it like very well. I don't. Yeah, that's about all you can do with it. So let's see.
Awful, man.
Apple. But yeah, after this, I'm gonna add clip, and then gonna add this one. You really won't have these ones unless you download them. But yeah, I already downloaded them. So do that. Then I'm gonna change the clip volume so it's like put it down a bit. This one's gonna be like very loud a bit, so there we go, that's good. There, split clip. And then we'll delete this.
Man, it's the king of the sea.
There. We'll split it. When it says king of the sea, then
Like, I see I have
I
a
thought
solid.
that I'll split it there. Then we'll delete that one.
King of the sea.
I thought the fish were. I thought split it there. Delete this one.
Yeah.
I thought my sardines were the king of the sea. This will trim clip. Trim it just a little bit. I thought my sardines were the king of the sea. The lights. And then we add clip. Let's see. Add meme video. See this one. See this one as well. And then we'll see which one suits it. Split there. Delete that. Delete that as well. Split there. Then delete that one. If I keep editing it. But this video is gonna be too long, so tell me in the comments if you want me to like have a part 2 and go more advanced and like show me editing a full video. So yeah, put in the comments, make sure to like, subscribe, and the link in the description, there's going to be my YouTube channel and I'm going to make this video, so go there and subscribe and watch it. Here's what the final product is. What's that skin? Why are you wearing Thor?
Awful, man. It's the king of the sea.
I thought my sardines were the king of the sea.
What?
So yeah, so thanks for watching, make sure to like, subscribe, and peace.